Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the processor isn't supported for this version of Windows error. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type registry, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it in the registry address bar and press enter. If the same case you the MoSetup is missing, then copy the MoSetup text and right click on the setup and select new and select key. Paste the MoSetup text and press enter. Right click on the right side next to the after selecting the MoSetup and select new and select default 32-bit value. And now check my video description for this text. Just to copy the text and right click and select a rename and paste the text we copied and press enter. Double click on it and set the value data to 1 and click on OK and just close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.